This tutorial, I want to show you how you can filter something that is between two different values in Microsoft Excel. So here we have some sample data of cookie sales, and let's just say you want to filter where orders that have a revenue between $5,000 and $10,000, right? So to do this, first we need to turn on the filter. We can do this by highlighting this for a top row, which we can do using Control, Shift, and then right arrow, or you can drag your mouse across the top. I use like Control Shift right arrow more, and then we can need to turn on the filter. You can do that by either going to Data and then clicking on Filter, or you can do Control Shift L. Either way will work to turn on the filter. Now to go ahead and filter values that are between two different numbers, we want to down click on the arrow right there. Then you want to click on Number Filters, and here you're going to see an option that says Between. Then after you click on between, this little custom filter shows up. And between is basically referring to something that's greater than or equal to 5,000 and less than or equal to 10,000. But one thing to note is that you can customize this in any way that you want to. So we would now go with values that are greater than 5,000 and less than 10,000 to get a between, but you can do an or, so if anything that's greater than 5,000 or less than that, less than 10,000. And scrolling down, as you can see, you can filter by just different options. That will kind of just meet whatever flexibility that you're looking with. Begins with, not begins with, contains, by text numbers, whatever. But greater than equal to and less than equal to will get you the between. Click OK. And now we have filtered for all the sales that have revenue between $5,000 and $10,000. So I said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.